What if I told you your breakfast could literally rewire your brain and burn belly fat, all before lunch? 2 eggs every morning? Scientists say it could boost brain power by nearly 100%. Just half a cup of grapes might help clear your colon and beat constipation. Feeling a headache? Munch on 15 almonds. Natural relief, no pills needed. Ginger water? Think of it as a secret fat burner, and bye-bye bloating. And don't skip pomegranate seeds. They're tiny, but they help your hair grow thicker. Crazy, right? Which one surprised you the most? Share this with a friend who needs to know.